Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Vechain can see a break above the $0.02 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after seeing our 10th of July low at around the $0.0179 mark, we started gearing up, where we were able to put in place the high for that first wave to the upside. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there are chances that Vechain now has a low in place for the second wave, and soon we could see a reaction of the target area, see a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark, get a successful retest, and continue gearing up until we fully maximize minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. There are also chances that maybe Vechain has not yet put in place the low for the second wave, and in case further breakdown continues on the charts, then we can expect one more new low within this yellow target area for the second wave. And once we have one more new low for that second wave, we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. And since there are chances that the low is in, I can also give you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02283 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do in the formation of that wave 3, assuming that we are not going to see one more new low in the formation of this wave 2. So on the short term, we need to watch out for a reaction of the target area and a break above the $0.02 mark, get a successful retest before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And once Vechain is able to put in place a 5-wave structure here on the charts, then that will be completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And all this is playing out after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, when Vechain was able to put in place a new bear market low at around the $0.01316 mark. And afterwards, we started a very nice recovery, where we were able to see this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.02136 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then afterwards, we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this red target area. We were able to see just a touch of the target area, though we didn't quite fully maximize it, and started a bit of a reaction to the upside in what I've been terming as the formation of this wave 3. And if by any chance Vechain continues to see further breakdown, and maybe at some point we lose our yellow target area over here, then continue seeing further breakdown, losing the key area of support at around the $0.01798 mark, then that would be suggesting that Vechain has not yet put in place the low for this second wave, and whatever we have on the charts is an ABC corrective structure, terming this as a wave A, then a wave B, and we can expect one more new low in the formation of that wave C. And that is the alternative scenario that can play out on the Vechain chart in case we lose this yellow target area and continue seeing further breakdown. But as long as we are holding within it, then my primary scenario is that Vechain soon is going to give us a pump in the formation of this wave 3, before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Vechain chart. Also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 46 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.